What can dance bring to schools and students in our times? When I dance, I feel happy, I feel alive, I get a lot of energy, and I also release energy. I feel more focused, I have more attention, and I get my worries out and all of my anxiety out. There are many ways to enjoy dance in our times. For example, I love movement and body isolation. For example, I like to draw lines and curves in space with my body. I love to do percussion with my feet and footwork. And last, with your favorite book, you can also create great dances individually or in a team. So I really do feel like dance can bring a lot to teachers and schools and students in these times.